All work and no play leave your dog bored, frustrated, and anxious. Like kids, your dog needs exercises and your company. So what should you do when you know that you need to spend all day working hard? And what's the best way to offer your dog the fun, stimulating, and exciting exercise that she needs? Well, we have an easy and super exciting answer to these questions. Now meet Wickedbone, a bone-shaped interactive gaming device that performs like a truly smart, fun, and wonderfully wicked companion of your dog. It couldn't be more exciting, really. Wickedbone is really easy to use. Just download the Wickedbone app and connect via Bluetooth, and you can start playing with your dog. Move it with its virtual joystick. Wickedbone feels just like any other video game. Wickedbone's 9 preset motions are able to constantly keep your dog highly focused. The interactive mode is perfect for the moments when you're busy doing something important. When the interactive mode is activated, it is wired to guide your dog to play with it. Wickedbone acts responsively to different types of touch based on its original emotional system, always in a playful manner that keeps up with your dog's mood and reactions. Wickedbone lets you choose or set different modes to play indoors and outdoors. And you could even play it without looking at your phone. The FDA class material of Wickedbone's body, cover, and the tires are certified, safe for humans and pets.
Okay, Marley, hold on. I'll let you out. Oh, what now, Marley? You want to come back in? I'm going to have to teach you how to open that door.
You can teach Marley how to open and close the door with AutoSlide, fitted to any of the sliding doors in your home. AutoSlide's K9 option allows you to easily set the door to open and close for Marley whenever she wants to go out or come in. You can set it to open to the width of your pet, and with this pet toggle, it will only open for Marley and no other animal. Visit AutoSlide.com to discover the endless possibilities when your sliding doors open for your pets.
Family. If we're all honest about it, it's what really matters the most. Those special times together, around a meal, And even if one of us is a little late, or even if things don't go exactly as planned, we all try to help each other out. And with the Petnet SmartFeeder, it's easy to do just that. Though we all have busy lives, places to go, and work to do, we still do what we can to make sure our families are healthy and provide the love and care they need to live happy lives. And sometimes, when we're away, we still find ways to check in, to stay connected, and take care of one another. That's just how it is. And when everyone comes back together again, we pick it up right where we left off. Because that's what families do. The Petnet SmartFeeder. Healthy pets, happy owners.
When you can't be with the one you love, Petcube Bites can. Just fill up with your best friend's favorite treats, so when you leave, playtime begins. With built-in two-way speaker and microphone, you can talk to and hear your pet. Or practice that fancy new trick you've been working on. And when they ace it, fling a treat. Now that's a good boy. And when they're not so good, Petcube is there too. Sound and motion alerts let you know there's trouble. So with more Petcube cameras, you can follow your pet from room to room. Turn silly moments into shared moments and instantly share your best clips to friends and family. Because some things are too cute to keep to ourselves. They're there for us, waiting. Be there for them too. With scheduled treat times, they'll know that the one they love is just around the corner. And you'll know they're taken care of. Until you can be with your pet again, we'll be here, helping make homecomings even sweeter, and sharing love from afar. Petcube, designed for happy reunions, designed for pet parents.
There's a special society out there. Its members don't need an alarm clock to wake up. They don't need an inspirational poster to remind them that every day is an adventure. It's a society of athletes and explorers, with members who aren't afraid to get dirty. For them, sit, stay, and roll over aren't commands. They're a password. And in this society, everyone knows the handshake. And even when this society is unable to meet, they can count on each other. They are always connected, always close by, always looking out for each other. Because they are linked by a bond that cannot be broken.
If you have cats, then you know it's their house and you just live in it. So we created a custom litter box that let cats be cats. And we made it so it cleans in 6 seconds, or oftentimes faster. Hi there. This is the litter box that cleans in 6 seconds, and it's also designed on the same principles that make cats and kittens love boxes. Over here is Michelle, and if you've been scooping a litter box like she is right now, you'll know it's no fun. Especially in the corners. That's where bacteria and odors accumulate. We tried every litter box solution on the market. They were crazy, so we decided it was time to do something about it. These clumps are fused to the container. We're going to toss the litter just to show you how fused they are. The difference is box scoop and braces stuck on clumps. Cats dig, and we designed for it. And even if you're using a super dusty litter like this one, the scoop is designed to slice through the litter while raising next to zero dust. Check this out. As the scoop sweeps through the litter, force is perfectly leveraged through the center point to the front edge of the scoop where it easily frees stuck on clumps. And box scoop also performs with alternative litters, because the scoop gets under the clumps and gently cradles them. So even if you're using a softer clumping litter, like this one, the clumps stay intact. It's fast, like 20 times faster than the average automatic, but without all those extra components for bacteria to grow in, and without this noise. The design is based on behavior studies for cat comfort. This is Arthur. She was the inspiration for Boxcube. Notice how easily she turns inside? And when she finally picks a spot to do her business, she can see everything around her, so she always feels comfortable. And when she steps out, all the litter on her paws gets left on the cover. That would normally be all over the floors. The feedback we've received from our first model is incredible. Boxcube is even used throughout Perwood Forest Cat Sanctuary. And now we're here to make Boxcube even better. This is Boxcube 2.0. It feels completely open to a cat inside, and these textured areas reduce litter tracking further, while the slots let it fall right through. It's made from thick material, and the cover is dog-proof secure. It's bigger than a standard size litter box, the scoop is deeper, and the front edge is double reinforced. It easily handles large clumps. And with our new design, if you want to toss the waste into a smaller container, you can. Just shake, tilt, and toss. If you've ever struggled with the litter box,
like we all have,
then you need to try Boxcube. With just 6 seconds a day, you can keep the litter box perfectly clean and healthy in your home. But we need your help to produce it. So help us by hitting that Back This Project button so that we can continue doing what we love to do, helping you clean up the litter box.